Hello trader and long time no see on my YouTube channels. Right here I have a little bit free time, so I arranged to make the video right here to talk about my trading results on the May of 2023 right here. You know that I manage many trade, many account, and only using one account to trade and copy from one account to other account. So I will share with you my trading results on my main account right over here. And you can see right here is my forex fund broker right here, and I use my forex fund, the 5% and FTMO, and I mainly trade on my forex funds and copy from my forex funds to other broker using the social trading tool. You can refer again, but that is not problem. We just care how we trade and the results during this month. You can see right here. Here's my $100,000 account, and the trading results you can see right here very easily. I trade from the 8th of the May 2023 until yesterday. I closed the last trade right over here and get the 8% of my account. And you can see right here is the evaluation phase 1 demo account. But it's not meaning because I copy from this one into my light account and summer account right in the social trading tool, and the result is very same right here. I just want to get one more account to add into my capital, so I take $1,000 account right here from my forex fund. And you can see right here 8% during the whole month right here. I trade quite carefully. So let's see the trading history right here. I will export the trading history into the Excel file and analyze again my performance to help you can understand how I manage the account during the whole month right here. You can see the win rate right here is 66.67%, and the profit per day, the profit and per loss for the day right over here is a 0.3%, and that is not a problem. Is anything right here is have no any meaning. We have to see on the Excel file, and you can see right here here's a MetaTrader 5 broker, and I will export the trading history right here into the Excel file, and you will see my performance in the Excel file. It's easier to see how I manage to trade. I open around right over here is a 15 trade for the month right here, and you can see right over here the profit factor right over here will be 2.53 times. That is quite good for me. That's very can be acceptable. And you can see right here here's my balance from the first time I trade until the last time of the month. The balance has a fluctuation, but is still in the range right over here for the whole month until I have the big profits right here. So let's see the profits right over here. This column I will change into the percent to help you easier to understand. I will divide to the balance. Original balance right here is $100,000. Change it to percent right here and add more the number to be exactly right here, and add more the condition. Here's the way I review my performance for the whole month, and it can help you to easier to see. Oh sorry, I'm talking and I'm doing, so I forgot something right here. So here's 0. You can see that the first time I received my account right here I lost 1.83%, and the second trade right here I also lost 0.09% of my account. But you know that I never lost more than 2% of my account. That is my rules. I never lost more than 2% of my account. And the second thing, I always quick access whenever I have a chance or the market show me the risks on the real market. And that is my rules for the trading and manage a big profit. And one more thing I want to say here, some trader ask me why you manage just $100,000 account. Just because when your mind come into this the number you will be, the number you are very comfortable, like the $100,000 you trading and you manage, the account will be easier, and we copy the comfortable from this account into other account and earn profits. We use the social trading tool for copy. So you don't need to open the trade from this account, other account, many account at the same time. Just use the copy social trading tool to help you to manage many broad firm account. It is easier to manage and trading with a big account like that. So right here you can see that on the next day I also trade and achieve 1%, 2% right here. I always quick exit and always quick take profits whenever I have the signal the market against me. I will show you detail on the trading view next time, but here is the time we review the total process of my account, the total performance. And sorry for my bad English, but I try to describe how I do during the month to help you to gain more the real experience in the trading. So the next trade right here, I'm lost again. I lost 1.65 account, and as I always say into my trading communities, the last 2 weeks of the month is quite difficult times of the markets for to find the trading signals. So you can see right here, I'm mostly in the loss and break even. Maybe in the break even is a lot loss. You can see right here, the profit is still 0. Maybe right here is still in break even. You can see right here, just how the profit is 1.47% of my account, and come here is lost, and come here is break even and loss again, and come right over here when the markets almost come into my trading favor right here. I come into the consecutive winning trade right here, and especially with my favorite pair right here. All the traders know my favorite pair is the New Zealand dollars right here. So I got maybe 5.5667 in my account, and the profits come almost right like that. You don't need to trade every day. You also don't need to have the profits every day. You need to manage the trade very carefully. For the whole week, you don't have the profits, no problem. Until the markets come into the trading favor, just one trade can change your trading results very easily. So you need to manage and control the capital carefully first. And now I will come into the trading view right here. Here is a goal, and also one of my quite nice trade for the month. But actually the loss side right here is quite small because the selling for gold right here is quite risk for me, so I reduce the risk. I don't remember which trade, but maybe this one, or this one, maybe on the 16th of the May right here, 16th of the May. No, here is the 11th of May. Therefore this trade I opened from the 9th of the May. Therefore I reduce the risk because I just lost right over here, and I have the one rules. When I lost, I will reduce the loss side for the next trade to keep my mind in the stable. I don't want to trade and don't want to get the money back after I lost, so I reduce the risk. Therefore right here, you only see that I only have the profits is a 1.71% of my account. And when you see right here, when my confidence come back, I will increase the loss side right here to trade. That is the difference. When you in the loss, you need to reduce the loss side to keep your capital because at that time the emotion has been affected by the markets. You don't like the fresh money like normal. And when you in the consecutive winning trade, at that time, the strategy, the market condition, everything are support for you, so you can increase the loss side and come into the market. And right here, come into the biggest trade maybe right here. This is the New Zealand dollars, and you can see very easily right here. Here is the New Zealand dollars. I take several trade, not only one trade. Here's the biggest one, but I already take the first one right here and the second one right here. I will talk to you one by one. And come into the 1 hour time frame. My first favorite hours I analyze mainly. And firstly, I see the market structure right over here. You already know that. This is not a valid breakout the recent high. You can see right here. I will marking the recent high right here. You can see that here's not the recent high because the market has not created the valid breakout the recent high right over here. Therefore, I just draw make the recent high right over here. You can draw this line until here or until here, no problem, but just like this you can understand the story in the market. And the signal come from the markets right here because the market has been just changed the change from the upside to the downside right here. And you can see the momentum of the breakout way right here very strong. We also see the imbalance on this way. Therefore, here's a signal. We can follow the market. And if you already learned about my level 1 course in the Udemy, you can understand, you can see the case like this, very similar on some of the live trading example on the level 1 course. And on the bootcamp 1, I already talk more detail about the case like this on the bootcamp 1. For the bootcamp 2, everyone just in their ability test after the key level strategies. So the key like this will be introduced later, but don't worry, everything will be clear for you after the bootcamp. You can understand and master it, don't worry. And the first one right here, I see the markets try to, with her big momentum like this, the markets normally will come into the key level, into the recent low right over here. I mean you can see my mouse right over here, come here to retest and come back again. That is my first plan, I think, in my mind at that time. And therefore, I can take the unconfluent strategies right over here to buy, follow the small chains right over here. And you can see that I open it on the 50 minutes time frame. And right here, you can see, I see the market try to create have the market structure like this. You can see the key level right over here quite clearly on the 50 minutes time frame. Therefore, I buy, follow the 50 minutes time frame, and at this time I judge here is a risk let me analyze more detail to help you easier to understand. The market structure will be like this. You can see the big Dow Barbosa candle right here and small doji. That we can confirm here is a valid one. And the markets come here. I entry right above of the key level right here is stop loss, right below of the lowest low right here, and take profits. Based on the reward ratio here is 3 times. But actually, when the market break out the key level right here, you can see the red line right over here. Here is the key level of the 5 minutes time frame because I'm following the 50 minutes time frame now. So I will use the 5 minutes time frame as our multiple time frame theory. I already tell you in the bootcamp or in the level 0 course on the Udemy. That is a free course, but you can refer the way I use the multiple time frame. And when the markets break out here, I set the trailing profits level right over here. Therefore, when the market was bounced from the recent low of the 1 hour time frame right here, come here. I already exit this trade Therefore the profit right over here is a very small, just 0.9 per reward ratio times. And that is the first trade. And the second trade, we come back into the 1 hour time frame. At this time, at our original plan for the New Zealand dollars right here, I want to sell when the markets come into the recent low of the 1 hour time frame was broken right over here. And I saw the markets create the one top, the second top, and I can judge here is a double top combined with the breakout way really strong like this. Therefore, I try to sell in the markets right here with the reward ratio reaches 1.9 times and the stop loss above of the double top signals, and take profits right here because here is a pullback way, and on the pullback way I see some of the imbalance, small imbalance right on the left, and I will marking the Fibonacci right here. You can see here is a discount zone, and we have a very strong buying signal on the institutional candle right over here. You can see here is institutional candle. Therefore, I take profits right on this to be safety, especially when I see some of the engulfing patterns gray right on the institutional candles. I need to access because that is a risk signals. That is true trade for the New Zealand dollars. But actually, after I take profits and I still waiting because right here, if I trading profits, I need to remove my stop loss from this level until this level. It means that my trade come into the break even, and you can see right over here the trade for the New Zealand dollars right over here, true trade right here, and my whole trading profits right from the first day of the month until here. I will marking true trade of the New Zealand dollars right here. I want to say the history, total history right over here in the break even. You can see right here my balance at this time is still in break even. Therefore, I don't want my trade right over here come from the profit level into the break even. I want my balance at least in the profits, because at the end of the month, if my account is still in profits, I can ask my forex funds to extend 14 days to continue trading. Therefore, I want to trade, I want to have the profits right here for the first reason, like I said before, and the second reason right here, I want my mind to be more confident. I want my mind to stick into the risk management skill when the markets have a risk signal like that. I don't want to risk more just for achieve my targets for the account, because this is very dangerous mindset. It is a gambling. It was a manipulation. It was manipulated by the markets. After long time trading and your account still in the break even. That is the thing I want to say. That is it's bootcamp. I say it is a way I manipulate myself in the trading. You can apply it in the real trading very easily and very effectively. And come into the trading view right here. My original plan at that time still wait to sell with the break and retest strategies right here. And for the break and retest strategies right here, you can see on the bootcamp 1, I already told many traders that when the market come break out with a very strong signal like this, and the market try to create the here is rain, or you also call like here's the accumulation rain like this, we have to sell right in the market, because the market give us the signals to sell. Therefore, I sell right here, one top, second top, and third top, really strong. The triple top pattern is a very strong in the market, so you can refer right here. And I sell right here. I trading profits the first time right here with the 50 minutes time frame right here, because we can see right here after the markets go down like this, the market try to create the market structure right here. I will remove something here. Here you can see the market structure like this. here is the market structure on the 50 minutes time frame at that time. Therefore I move my stop loss from this play until here, and for the second time, so right here the markets come directly into my take profit level. And one more thing I want to say right here, for the new trader, this trade is very common, very typically, no have any the special thing right here. Just follow the strategy I share you on the course, I share you on the bootcamp. You can achieve all dream you want. And one more thing I want to tell you right here, we have a many level in the trading. The first level is a level we try to find the exactly entry play, exactly stop loss. To do it, you need to understand about the market structure, understand about the key level, understand about smart money in the basic level. And in the level 1 of the trading, as a professional trading, you have to find the exactly fixed take profits. Fixed take profits can understand is the end of the market cycle. For example, right here is not of the end of the market cycle, because if I want to take profit at the end of the market cycle, I have to come into 4 hours time frame to see, and maybe the end of the market cycle right over here, because here is a recent low of the 4 hours time frame, and take profits like this. But here for me, after this trade, I can achieve almost my targets for the phase 1 of my forex fund. Therefore I just take profit like this to be safety. And I want to say more, the level 3 of the trading will be the very difficult, because it requires me and you more experience to define the market, to understand about the market picture. That is the trailing profits like this. You have to know where you can trail profits. You have to know where you can move your stop loss into your break-even level. That is very, very important, I want to say. And you can write out to know where is your level, current level now, to continue practice. I can share you all of my trading knowledge during the course, during the bootcamp, but the experience cannot share you in a single days. You have to trading, and you have to gain the knowledge from the real markets when you practice. And that is all for the video today, and wish you have a nice weekend with your family. And one more thing I want to say here, the bootcamp trading 3 come into the last day of the discount. You can refer on the link I share on the below the video right here, or on the news of the Discord channels. If you are the motivation trader and serious trader who really want to be success in these years, you can contact me. You can join the bootcamp and work with me and my team for around 2, 3, 4 months. You can see the very difference of yourself. Thank you.